All right, so essentially, as you can see, we're in the near the peak of the storm, where we have high frontogenesis occurring at both 700, 850, and 925 millibars. So the 700 millibar frontogenesis band is associated with the snow that's currently occurring over the Poconos area, and that's because the temperatures there are lower as well. That's mainly just steady, fluffy, dry snow, leading to decent accumulations there. Now, if we look at the 850 millibar frontogenesis map, you can see it coincides perfectly with the bands of heavy snow that are occurring over central Jersey. And there's been a special weather statement that has been put into effect to cover these snowfall bands because they're producing 2-inch an hour snowfall rates. And with the 925 millibar in surface frontogenesis, that's maximized over the Atlantic, where we have just normal slightly convective rain showers occurring. Now, so far this event, honestly, I would say it's been underperforming because where I am in northern Somerset County, we got 3 inches of snow so far, or slightly under that. And the reasoning behind that is because I think we've had quite a relatively dry period a few hours before now. Right now it's just after, I think, 6 Eastern. And additionally, temperatures were quite high earlier, so the accumulation wasn't that high. And when you have a higher snowflake size with higher temperatures, they fall much slower as well because the effects of drag are higher, so they weren't accumulating as much until temperatures dropped. However, now if we look at the 925 millibar temperature advection, you can see temperatures are dropping across the area, so snowfall ratios are going to increase. And this snow over here, it's been starting to get a little bit more fluffy and dry versus the lower layers, which are much more icy. Now, for the future, what I'm thinking is that these snow bands in central Jersey, whichever locations are underneath this, right now I'm at the northern periphery of one, which even that is pretty heavy snowfall. Wherever we have these snow bands set up, that's where the highest snowfall rates are gonna happen, and hence the highest totals will happen there. But I think overall the highest totals should be in the high terrain of Jersey or in the Poconos, where the snowfall, the snow to liquid ratios have been the highest continually throughout the event. These temperatures have been below freezing for the entire time over there. So yeah, and also another concern is going to be the wind. The winds are picking up out of the northeast, and that's going to lead to some blowing snow issues as the snow to liquid ratios decrease. The snow becomes much more fluffy into the nighttime hours and overnight. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this storm. I'm thinking snowfall totals maybe an inch or so less than what people were expecting. But the good thing is that 95 got some decent amount of snow out of this because the storm de-amplified compared to what was expected. And yeah, that's it for this storm, and then it's going to be pretty cold after that. So just, yeah, stay warm. All right, thank you.